Hi, Moon. Hello, Moon. Hello. Hi, Moon. Good evening, good evening. And welcome again to our class. How are you today, Moon? Are
Hello,
you
teacher. Today I happy, but it
what did
I
what did
one.
what did you eat? Tomato? Oh, oh no. What happened to your tooth? What happened? It fell? Oh no. Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
But only is the one tea.
Oh, only one tooth. So we call this a tooth. Oh no, what happened? Your tooth fell? Your tooth fell? Really?
Go to the doctor.
Oh, you go to the doctor?
But it only is one tea. I beat high the one tea. No, she go to the dentist.
Oh, she go
She
to the
go to the dentist
yes,
to
dentist.
making teeth out.
Oh, to remove her teeth. Oh, does it hurt?
It loose.
Don't worry, it will still grow. So it will
It
still grow.
out. It grow a new one.
Yeah, it
It
will grow to
grow.
a new
It
one.
new one.
Yes. So
New one see, but it only some
huh?
one
Only
day.
one. Only one. What happened to the dentist? Does your dentist
I
scare?
am
Are you?
ready.
Oh, I'm ready. You are ready with the lesson? What happened to the dentist when you go to the dentist? Are you scared of the dentist or no? Oh no. You lost a tooth. Okay. So when we have only one moon, when we have only one, so we will say
I am
tooth. Mm. Oh, where is your baby tree? Because my other student, she has a baby tree. It is
I
color
see
rainbow. I see. Oh, I see your tooth. I cannot see your tooth. Oh no. Did you eat ice cream after removing?
no
No. Oh no, I don't. Oh. Okay. So now, are you
What?
ready? Wow. Are you ready to continue
Yeah,
our lesson for today? Oh, what is that?
it be time.
It's B time. Okay. Now look at the picture. So we have here, what is this? Moon? Is this a house?
I yeah.
And yes, it is. Very good. And what can we see on the top of the house? On the roof of the house? What is this?
A roof on the house.
Yes, this is the roof of the house. But what is that? The white thing. Is it a snow or is it a snowman? Is it a snow? Snow?
Yes.
Yes, very good. It's a snow. Now, what can you see on the house roof?
Blessing.
Okay, let's say I
What?
see snow on the house roof. It's okay. It will grow back. Okay, let's say I see snow on the house
And to
roof.
blow and the house room.
Room? Okay, let's say roof. Roof, not room. Roof. FF. Roof. Roof, house,
It be
roof.
some.
Oh, I also have that one, but I have brown. Brown colored. Oh, look, it's brown. I have a brown.
I have a pink and white.
Wow, pink and white. Is it yours or is it your mom's?
It is your mom.
Ah, it's your mom's. It's so cute. It's black and white. Do you like white and pink? It's white and pink, I mean. Do you like
Yeah,
white and
I like white and pink.
Wow, that's good to know. How about color black?
I
Do you do you like the color black? Oh no, your tooth. It's gone. Your tooth is gone.
no, I don't like your black.
Oh, you don't like?
I like purple and pink.
Really?
And,
Really? You
and
don't and brown? You don't like purple, pink, and brown?
it
That
is sleeping.
what's that?
It is
A clip.
sleeping.
Her clip. It's a her clip. That's so
No,
good. Oh no,
it is sleeping.
a sleeping. Sleeping? The hair clip is sleeping. Okay, okay, so now let's proceed to the next. Next picture, Moon. What is this? Is this Olaf?
It's only not, yeah, it is building a snowman. Oh,
Wow, very
teacher,
good.
do you like oh,
Do I like to build a snowman? No,
teacher, do
because
you like
no,
building a snowman? Do you like cold?
no, because we don't have snow. We don't have snow in the Philippines. That's why we cannot build a snowman. How about you?
Sledding.
How about you? Do you like to build a
They come
snowman?
from the teacher come from me too. I Janet.
Huh? You like snowman?
Janet.
You don't like. Oh. Now
No,
let's
I don't like.
you don't like. Okay. Now let's see. Let's check or let's look at the snowman in the picture. What color is the snowman's hat? What color is the snowman's hat?
It's
Hmm.
purple or blue.
Is it
Ah,
purple?
blue.
Purple or blue?
What color is snowman hat? Blue.
Blue, very good. It's color blue. How about the snowman's scarf? What
It's
color?
blue.
It's also blue. Very good. Do you like the color blue? Do you like the color blue?
No,
No, you don't like. Really?
I like a rainbow.
A rainbow.
I
You
like
like?
a purple
Oh, you like the
and
color
pink and
purple and pink?
red.
And okay, very good. So now again, so this is the snowman. How about this one?
Huh?
Look at the girl. What is she wearing? Is it is she wearing a jacket?
No,
No. What is it?
it
Hmm.
is coat.
Coat. Very good. Okay, let's read the sentence. The girl
The girl
is
is
wearing
wearing
a
a
pink coat.
pink coat.
Okay, very good. So the girl is wearing a pink coat. Okay. How about you, Moon? What color is your coat? Do you have a coat?
No.
No, really? You don't have a
Không.
coat? You don't have a pink coat?
Không.
On- Only jacket?
Yes, we have.
Oh, yes. Oh, you have. You have a coat.
Here.
Oh, oh, your brother will get it.
It's going to. To teacher, but
Oh.
she doesn't really mean it.
Oh, okay. It's so many. You have many coats. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah,
Many. And
many coats.
it is a jacket and coat. I have coats, but it coat.
Coat?
It can go one bow, two bow. It
Oh,
can coat. Here, long shirt.
wow. What color
And
of the
shirt.
coat
But
and shirt?
but
What
I can many.
what color is your
Teacher,
favorite coat?
I go to the bathroom.
Okay, you can go. Take your time. Go, go, go.
Đâu lên vừa nào có cái gì ở chỗ này mà ở đây. Ừ.
Wow. Hello again. Are you finished? Oh no, your tooth. Where is your tooth? Oh no. Does it hurt? Does it hurt? No, it doesn't hurt. No. Oh, really? Wow, you're so brave. Okay, next. Wow, let's take a look at the girl. What is she wearing? Is that a shoes?
No, I baby
No. What is it? She is
scared.
skating, skating with
The ice kiss.
ice skates. Very good. Ice skates. What is the color of her ice skates?
It's white.
It's white. Very good. How about her coat? What is the color? Oh, actually, this one is a jacket. Ah, where are you? Okay. What are you doing?
What are you doing there?
Okay, now let's take a look at the picture moon. What color is she wearing? What color? What
Huh?
color is her
It's
jacket?
red. It is
Hmm.
green.
Is it color pink, purple, and blue? Hmm. Blue. Yeah. So again, so the girl is wearing or skating with the ice skates. So white colored ice skates. How about you, Moon? Do you have an ice skates? Do you have ice skates? Yes or no?
No.
No. Oh, okay. How about roller skates? Do you, do you have a roller skates like this? This one. This one is a roller skates. It's loading. Ah, this one.
Huh.
Do you have this one? Roller skates. So it has wheels. So the ice skates, it has blades. But for roller skates, so it has wheels. So you can use it on the road. But for ice skates, you can only use
Is
it
that?
in the ice. Yes, very good. So this is a roller skate. Okay. And next, let's proceed to the next picture. Okay. So what is this moon? They use what? They use. What is that? They use. Is it water?
No, it's fire.
Very good. So let's read the sentence. They use fire to keep warm. Okay, again, let's say they use
Yeah, you
fire
fire
to keep warm.
one.
Okay, very good. So again, this is fire. And next, oh, how about this one? What is this? What is this?
It beats some snowman. It was some very cool, but it is something was the snowman. It's mitten.
Very,
But
very
but it
good.
I like mitten.
Oh, you like
Mitten
mittens?
I like.
Do you have a mittens?
Yeah.
Oh, can I see? Can I see? What color? What color is your mittens?
It, it's pink and blue.
Oh, wow. Pink and blue. Oh, it's so cute. You have a mittens. Wow, that's so nice. Okay, how about the snowman? What is the color of the snowman's? Wow, you have a pink mittens. Can I see? Can I see? Wow, that's so cute. So since you have a pink and blue mittens, how about the snowman?
No, and what's that?
Oh, white, pink, blue, and white. Oh, that's so nice. Now, what is the color of the snowman's mittens? What's the color? What's the color of the snowman's mittens? What's the color of the
It's not mitten. I'm
It's red. You
pink,
have pink,
pink,
white,
blue, and
blue,
white.
and white mittens. Okay, wow, that's so nice. So that
Did you
is
have a mitten?
no, I don't have because it's very hot here in my place. We don't need mittens.
I don't know.
It's not hot there. Oh, that's so nice. We don't have mittens here because it's very hot.
I did you have a mitten? I see mitten teacher.
Oh, I don't have. Teacher don't have or doesn't have mittens. No.
It's mitten. A mitten.
Yes, mittens. Okay, now let's take a look at the picture, Moon. What is that? Is that the rain? Is
No.
that the rain? No. What is that? It's a snow. Very good. So it's snowing. It's it's snowing. How have you ever seen a snow?
What?
Have you have you have you have you ever seen a snow? Moon? Yes or no?
I
Huh? Have you ever seen a snow? No, still no.
One me. Oh.
Oh, have you ever seen a snow? Still no. No, no, no. I still also
It
haven't
was.
seen. Hmm?
It did. It did fun.
Okay, this one is a snow. I think in Vietnam, it also doesn't snow. Is it correct? There is no
Yeah.
snow There is no snow in Vietnam? No.
Huh?
There is no snow in Vietnam, or there
No.
no.
No, it isn't.
No, it doesn't snow. Okay, very good. How about this one? Is it also a snow in the second picture, Moon? Is it also a snow? Yes or no?
No. It is
No. No, it
the
isn't. What is it? We call this as ice. This one is ice. Okay, this one is ice. Ice, ice, ice. Yes, very good. How about ice? Is there ice in Vietnam?
Storm is rock.
Is is there is there an ice in Vietnam? Yes or no?
It Bali is yes or no? Yes.
Yeah.
But it no.
No, it's no? Well, there is not. Because it's not snowing in Vietnam, right? So it's possibly there is also no ice. Okay, no. Okay, so this one again, this is the snow. So snow is white, color white. However, the ice, this one, ice is a transparent.
What is that? It's
Okay, so next, let's have this one. So our first word is
a shopping.
is it a shopping? So our first word is soft and dry. Soft and dry. So when we say soft, soft and dry, what is soft and dry? Is it snow or ice? Moon. What is soft and dry? Is it snow or ice? So for soft and dry, so this is a snow. Because when we touch a snow,
No. It we time what me yes.
because when we say snow or when we touch the
No.
snow,
He do not chamus.
huh? We do not chemis?
He
Okay.
do not chamus. But me and moon
Mm-hmm.
it be
Mm. Okay. So again, so when snow, when we say snow, it is soft and dry. Especially when we touch snow, it is very soft. Okay, next we have hard and wet. So when we say hard and wet, it is hard to touch. Okay, like rocks. Do you know rocks, Moon? Do you know rocks?
Huh?
Do you know rocks? This one, rocks.
Mẹ bảo đi.
Have you touched? Have you touched a rock before? Like this?
No.
Ah, really?
It's something yet ut chạm. It only it not no.
No, no. Have you touched have you seen a rock before like this? Let me show you some picture.
No.
I really know.
Tại
You
sao?
have you haven't seen a rock like this? Like this, like this. This is a rock. So when we
Yes.
yeah, so you have seen a rock. So when we touch the rock, it is very very hard. So like the ice, when we touch ice, it is hard and wet because ice is made of hard water that froze. So that is snow and ice. Okay, and next one. So we have ice skates. Okay. What, again, look at the picture, Moon. What is this?
Really?
Is this a shoes?
No.
No. What is this?
Yes.
What color is the ice skate?
There is shoes. That is ice skate.
Ice skate. What color is the ice skates?
The
Color.
shoe is blue and white. The ice skate is white and pink and blue and yellow.
Are you sure? This is blue? What color is this?
It's purple.
Very good. So the color of the ice skate is pink, yellow, purple, and blue. And the shoes, so it is color blue and white. So the difference between ice skates and shoes, so look at the ice skates. So ice skates have blades. So we use ice skates on the ice. However, you don't have ice skates. How about shoes? Do you have a shoes?
Yes.
Yes. What is your favorite, or what is the color of your favorite shoes?
It's purple.
Oh, it's purple. Wow, is that a shoes? I think that is a slipper. It's a slipper, not a shoes. Can I see? Can I see your shoes? Where is your shoes? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, what color is that? Is that color pink? Color pink? Wow, it's so cute. It has glitters. Sparkle, sparkle. Is that your favorite shoes, Moon? Oh, are you wearing your shoes? So cute. That's so cute. So nice. Okay. So again, when we say ice skates, so ice skates have blades. We use, wow, what color is that? Is that color pink?
Yes.
Oh, it's
It's
color
only
pink.
after the meat.
Wow, that's so nice. Okay, so when we say shoes, we use shoes for walking. We wear them every day, but we cannot wear them on the ice because we need to use ice skates. Okay, so very good.
One, two, three, four,
What?
and six. I can see many shoes.
Many shoes. How many are your shoes?
Huh?
How many? How many are your shoes?
It's one.
Huh?
Two.
One? You only have one? Two?
One. Is that? What?
Two? Only two? You only have two shoes? Oh, two shoes? I have two shoes.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, how many shoes do you have? 6? You have 6 shoes? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. 1, 2.
Con có bao nhiêu cái các bạn? Con tính ở trong
1,
sổ.
2.
1, 2.
Mm-hmm. Only 2, 4, 5. How many?
Bao nhiêu?
Oh, 6. I have 6 shoes.
Tôi không nói thì không nhớ. Ai hả? Sĩ sư gì đó.
I have 6 shoes.
Wow, very good. So good job. So I think, Moon, so this will be the end of our lesson because it's already the end of our time. So we will continue this lesson next, when is it? It will be on Tuesday. So see you again on Tuesday, Moon, and goodbye. Good
Goodbye.
night.
Did you have a shoe?
Yes, I have a shoes, but it's
I see.
downstairs. It's
I see.
downstairs. It's not in my.
I
It's.
see a shoe teacher.
I will show you next class my shoes. Is it okay? Because it's downstairs. I'm at my bedroom, or I'm in my bedroom. Okay, I will show you it next time. Okay? Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you again. Bye bye. Let me have flowers. Bye bye. Flowers for Moon. Heart, heart.
Wow.
Wow. Bye bye. Goodbye.
Wow.
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 Bye bye.
It's Jesus.
Bye bye. Oh, do you want to see rainbow? Rainbow. Tinin. Rainbow.
Wow.
Bye bye.